Did you know? Cats are naturally drawn to moving water because their wild ancestors drank from streams, not stagnant pools. In the wild, still water can be contaminated. So, even today, domestic cats are wired to prefer running water because it seems fresher and safer. Cats have a unique vision. They don't always see still water well, but the ripples and reflections of moving water catch their eye immediately. Cats use the tip of their tongue to tap the water. They're so fast that their drinking might look silent, but they're actually super efficient. Cats love to dip their paws into running water. It's a combination of play and instinct. They're checking its safety just like their ancestors did. Want to keep your cat hydrated? Try a water fountain. Cats are much more likely to drink from running water, which keeps them healthier and hydrated.